Okay, this is just a little short video. I haven't made any in a while. This is 2001 Sportster XL something, XL Custom, the one with the forward controls and came with the 21-inch front wheel. Previously, we got this thing and had to replace the fork tubes in the front wheel on it. And got it running. We rode it for a while and it had a Ultima ignition on it. Started dumping on one cylinder, and it had an intake leak, and base gaskets were pouring oil out of them. So we went ahead and tore it down. Found out it did have N4 cams in it, so had N4 cams, and somebody had already been in this thing because they put the cams in it, and somebody had put wiseco forged pistons in there, just standard pistons. They're like 10 over. And on the cylinder heads, the front head, somebody had tried to replace the, I guess it stripped the spark plug out at one time, so they tried to put a not even a helical, some kind of insert in there, and they got it crooked, and it actually was nicked the intake seat on the front head. So had to get a set of heads for it, and cheaped out, found a set off stock 1200 and just got those. And I'm going to rework those. I guess the idea is we're going to turn this into a little drag bike project here. We've already got it planned out. Got some stuff ordered for it. Found some other stuff. Getting rid of that rear disc wheel there. And drop the bars down. Probably do, well, I'm not doing a whole lot this year. Just basically get it running again so he can make some passes on it. I'm not riding it, my son is. So we'll do that. And go from there. It's just an update. Haven't been on there for almost a year, maybe, at least since last summer sometime. So we'll do that, and I'll keep you posted on stuff. I'm just draining the sump out of this thing. There's well, I'll go over that later. But thanks for watching.